We already discussed one GCP NoSQL database service, Cloud Bigtable. Another highly scalable NoSQL database choice for your applications is Cloud Datastore. One of its main use cases is to store structured data from App Engine apps. You can also build solutions that span App Engine and Compute Engine with Cloud Datastore as the integration point. As you'd expect from a fully managed service, Cloud Datastore automatically handles sharding and replication, providing you with a highly available and durable database that scales automatically to handle load. Unlike Cloud Bigtable, it also offers transactions that affect multiple database rows, and it lets you do SQL-like queries. To get you started, Cloud Datastore has a free daily quota that provides storage, reads, writes, deletes, and small operations at no charge.